Power's out, but your Generac won't turn on. That's frustrating, but don't panic. Here's where to start. First, check the control panel. Are you getting an error message? One of the most common issues is a dead or weak battery, especially if your unit hasn't been serviced recently. Next, make sure your generator is in auto mode, not off. That switch controls whether the generator will turn on automatically during an outage. Check the gas supply. Is the propane tank full? Is the natural gas line open or obstructed? Don't forget the main breaker. If that's tripped, your home won't receive power even if the generator is running. Still nothing? Turn the unit to off, wait 30 seconds, then flip it back to auto to reset. If it still won't start, it's time to give us a call.